Hello, I'm Lieutenant Jason Fair, Albuquerque Fire Rescue. I'm up here at the Fire Academy, and we are one step closer to getting Ladder 17 into service. This week we have a service tech from Pierce Manufacturing who's up here in Albuquerque to provide factory level training to all the crews from Fire Station 17 who are going to be receiving this truck. This training accomplishes multiple things. The crews that are assigned at the station where these apparatus are housed get hands-on training with truck capabilities, setup, truck features, and troubleshooting. AFR Fleet Services technicians are also present for training as they will be the ones maintaining these rigs. Often the human element is the biggest limiting factor when operating these trucks. Factory training, AFR's Driver Academy, and company level training ensure that personnel are comfortable and confident with apparatus capabilities and limitations. AFR has replaced 5 of 8 ladder companies and has 2 more on order. Standardization of the fleet helps with training, operations, and the servicing of these apparatus. Albuquerque Fire is excited to get this ladder truck into service. Following this week's training, the truck will go back to fleet services for any repairs to be made and for any equipment to be mounted to the truck. Stay tuned for media availability and the date of the push-in ceremony.